Yo, what's up, guys? It's Little Fishers, and this is our first video. And today we're gonna be using huge live bluegill as bait. Here's some of the rods we got. This one we're trying to get untangled. We got some bread for bait, so I think that'll work pretty well. This bread. We got our poles. Here's our bait caster. Here's just our spinner rod. This one always works well. So we're just loading up the car right now with all the poles. Boom, boom. Got everything in the car. Now we're packed and ready to go to the dock where we're gonna be catching our bait fish and then using them for, actually wait, one more thing. One thing we do need is a big cooler. So one of these would work. This one. It's a little dirty, but I mean, works fine. Got our cooler here, packed and ready. There we go. Now we officially have everything in the car. Yeah, I think they look at a number on there or something. Yo, what's up, y'all? We're at the lake. It's pretty windy today. And we're just using some bread. Don't put that much on. We're just using some bread and putting it on a hook. So we're trying to catch all these little bluegill and use them as bait. So we're gonna set up some of our bait rods. Hopefully we can catch something today. Yesterday I came here and I had a lot of bites on this bluegill. So hopefully today is better. Let me get some bread. Grab some. Gotta roll this into a ball. You could like wet it too. Something is wrong with this bread though. This bread does not stick, bro.
It kind of sticks. You just gotta get it kind of.
Yeah, you just gotta compact it. You put this on here. Yo, this is, mine's like crumbling.
Same with mine.
Still works though. These guys eat anything though, so. Alright. Alright. Start putting some bread on. Just gonna roll it into like a ball. Like that. Just put it on my hook. I think this will work. Cause this other bread, that was not working out. All right, let's go toss this one in. All right, locked in. Yo, oh, that's too big of a piece. Only do a little, only do a little.
That's what I do, like this, look.
Yeah, that's good. I just recently found out this is way too big of a piece.
Like watch.
There's like at least, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's at least like 100 bluegill down here. It's insane. They're destroying my bread. Look at them, they're destroying my bread. I just put way too big of a piece. Once they keep on just like nibbling it down to a little bit, they're gonna start like fully get it. Yes, it's to a small piece now. I think I got one. We got a bass. Is that a bass? What is that? Yo! Might have been a bass or something, but it took it. It's so windy outside. Alright.
Here, give me I'm gonna grab a piece of the other bread and chum the one.
Alright. Alright, so we're aiming for like a bread piece this big. Really small. Because then this is conservative and this is the only way they'll bite it. Oh yeah, that's good.
Oh, that's smart.
My leg is so itchy, bro. Alright. Alright, let's get another. Whoa, these guys right at the top are so perfect. So small, too. Please tell me I got one. Yo. If you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe so we can keep making these videos, because it's kind of hard when you're just, like, moving from shorts to actual videos. Alright. It's got like a cube. I hate this camera quality, bro. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's gonna get destroyed. Ah, my leg. Are locked in. Bro, eat it. These guys are actually annoying. There's like 100 of these guys, and they're just like slowly picking at it.
I need you by my side.
Look on the top of these little guys.
Girl, you don't know what you do to me.
What's happening over there, bro?
Turn me on. Girl, you're really turning me on.
I want to just like go in here with a net and just scoop them all. It was not this windy back at the house. Here's what the lake is looking like, guys. It's pretty nice. It's really windy though. Come on, bro. Should not be that hard. Just to eat it, bro. I'm gonna start putting on microscopic pieces. And I'm gonna chum the water. All right. We got the cooler with the first bluegill we caught. We got that ready. All right, we got the bluegill on here. I cast this guy out. Hopefully I don't cross his line. Oh yeah, we're good. We're good to give this some slack. I don't think that one's got anything. Yo, I can't look at this kid. I'm gonna grab this one. All right, we'll grab this one. Reposition this one. Because this guy got dragged all the way to the shore. No idea how or why. Okay, we're done fishing. We're done fishing. Of course he comes off. Done fishing, bro. Oh.
Next time I'll take the bluegill because I got a big hook.
All right. We still got Carter's on though. I don't have a. Yo, what are they doing? What is happening over there? No idea what's happening over there. I'm just gonna keep on spinning this. This will probably work. Okay, reposition this. Ow. There we go. Alright, I got it. There we go. What was that?
She's bluegill.
What are they doing, bro? I'm gonna scoop them up.
No. Let me catch one down first.
Alright.
If I don't catch one, then you do.
This rod's moving, like, a lot. I don't know what's up with this rod.
I think you crossed this line.
Oh yeah, I did cross this line. Shiz. Oh no, I didn't. I think I'm good. Oh, he's in the seaweed. Let's go. Alright, small hooks was the method. Alright. There we go. Next guy I'm gonna put a bobber on because I don't trust him. He's just gonna go down into the seaweed and get snagged. Alright. Should I put another one on yours? Alright. Oh, you got that one. What have you been catching them on? This? Oh yeah. I'm gonna try to catch one. Alright.
This guy's staying. Oh, I thought I had a different hook on.
Alright.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna be the ones catching bait now. Oh, we don't. Oh, yeah, we do. We have a little amount of the bait left, so we gotta be controlled with how much bread we use. But this is how much we've been using. We're using this kind of hook. This kind of hook. It's really small. Alright, we're just giving the rod back to him. We're just gonna keep chumming the water though. Look at all these bluegill. This is insane. It's like the most amount of bluegill I've ever seen. Alright, over here. Oh, Shenzo. Oh. Your rod's a little shaky. On these two rods, we got bluegill on these two to start. We gotta put a bobber on these though.
Nah, mine's fine.
I'm gonna put a bobber on the next rod we put in. Wait, actually no, I just have that one. Alright.
It's all small blue, really too like small for this hooky boat.
I'll use it. Here's this one. I'm gonna put that on my bait caster. Oh, there's so many bikers, it's insane. This rod has been through it. Look at how small this is. It's an insanely small rod. And another one of these little loop things came off right here. Right. Can I have that bluegill? Oh, shit. Come here, little bro. Come here, bro. Stop. Stop, bro. Stop. Stop, bro. Stop. You're not getting away. You're not getting away, little homie. Oh, stop, bro. Yo. Okay. Alright, we gotta put him through here again. Now we gotta go right there. Hopefully this one doesn't fly off again. Oh my god! That's candy! That's bass candy. We gotta reposition this. This pole has been really bad lately. It might be time to hang it up. Get a new one. All right, there we go. Give him a little bit of water. Oh yeah, this one's so energetic. I'm gonna catch this one right here. Here we go. There's another rod that's ready. I'm gonna keep the drag off on this one. I mean, keep the drag like loose. Oh, oh. Ooh. It's moving. Sounds like my bopper's really moving over here. Look at it.
Not the same. This is that.
Hmm. Hold on. Why are those here?
They were in the cooler.
Okay, we can just do target practice.
Target practice with the ball.
Do we have any bait? Oh, we still got bait. It's pretty good. Just gonna chill here. Alright, I'm back. Ooh, look at that e-bike. Alright, I'm gonna cast this one over here. I'm gonna give this guy room to swim. Alright, thank you. Oh my bad.
What happened? Oh, bro?
Yeah.
Or is that just the second one?
It broke.
What's this guy doing? Saran?
What kind of bike is that?
I think it's a Saran. I can play that. An Archer, I like.
Okay.
Oh boy.
Holy. We're at a new spot. The dock was just getting too overpacked and crowded, and it's a river on like the lake, so we might actually have a chance. Yeah, and it was just getting there was just like 5 people fishing, and they're all trying to use the rod holders, and it wasn't working, so we decided to leave. We're gonna go set up over there to cast into the river while it's going, because that's what we have a lot of luck with.
Yeah, they said it's Plains River.
Yeah. And I have to drag this cooler. I had to carry all these that whole way. Wasn't that horrible, but it was, all right. This is the Plains River.
A couple days ago, I caught a northern pike here with a pink one.
Yeah, it's nice here. We do catch a lot of fish. It's just a matter of if the fish are biting. Because we cast into the river while it's flowing, and we've caught pike like that.
Yeah,
I put a picture up right here of my friend's pike we caught a couple days ago.
we caught it on a pink wacky worm.
Yeah, it was on a pink wacky worm. It was one of the weirdest things I've ever seen.
Dude, this guy's lying.
All right, we're gonna
I think I'm gonna
load all these up.
unless I can get it untangled.
Hopefully no one comes down here, because we came down here because no one really comes down here because it's kind of hidden. It's hidden and not hidden at the same time. All right, let's load up one of these bluegill. I'm gonna put up a fresh one. We got like 6 bluegill. Oh, this guy's not fresh. But no, we got 7 bluegill. And then we got like 2 cut up ones that are dead but are useful. Yeah. Yeah, the Danny guy at the dock. He's the one who supplied us with all the bait. Yeah, Mariana, bro. Right. Oh my gosh, that's so nice. There we go. We gotta create a makeshift rod stand. Right, I'm just gonna set that one down. Let's go in. We gotta somehow create like a rod stand or something. Actually, no, I think we're fine just putting it like this. Here we go. That is not working. All right, oh, here's a rod stand. Boom. I was already here. All right. First, okay, you guys can't see it. First stand is right there. Go. Drag another one up. I'm gonna put one on my bait caster.
Put some like chopped up ones out there too.
Okay.
Mosquitoes are bad here though. Oh, especially at this time.
I haven't gotten really any.
Oh yeah, also we like a week ago from today, we caught a smallmouth bass here too.
Oh yeah, there's smallmouth in here. There is literally everything you guys can think of in here.
We'll put a picture in the smallmouth.
Yeah. Oh, this guy's bass candy. I'm probably gonna catch a smallmouth again on this guy. What's up, Nico? Oh, what's up, Luke? You guys, just as I was going in the creek, look at what my friend caught. He caught a baby smallmouth. Is this actually smallmouth?
I think.
Oh yeah, it is. That's definitely smallmouth.
Do we keep him and raise him as like Gus the Bass?
They don't get that big though. It'd be better if it was a pike.
I thought it was.
Today was a loss. We couldn't really get much, but see you guys in the next video where we're gonna be setting up traps and putting them all around. See ya.